Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to do something. We're going to take a look at it. Just a gorgeous little 1987 Pontiac GTA. Very cool car, guys. I've actually had a lot of requests for this stuff. When I was about 20 years old, I owned an 87 Formula. I wasn't fortunate enough to have a GTA, but close to the same car. Always love these cars. I think they're super cool. I think they're going to be very collectible in the future. And I know I've had a lot of guys asking for Trans Ams and Monte Carlo SS's and IROCs. They're tough to get your hands on. Most of the ones that I look at are pretty rough because I know when I was 20, I was pretty hard on mine. This car has been very well maintained. 3 owners, tons of documentation with the car, 9,000 original miles on the car, guys. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. There's a couple of things as we go through the paint we'll show you, but a very well maintained 87 GTA. Love the color combination. This is original color. It's got about 90% of the original paint still on it. That is flame red metallic. It's got the factory red cloth interior. And very nice, guys. There's a couple little rub marks, you know, little stone pecks that you can kind of see, but I wouldn't touch this car. Leave this thing alone, man. Very, very nice car. Again, I had a blast with mine. Again, I was about 20 years old. It's back when I had hair. And power antenna's not working. We do have a brand new one for it. All factory soft ray glass in it. A lot of options. We'll kind of go through that on the car. This is about the worst spot I've seen on the paint. But again, I wouldn't touch it. Leave this thing alone, man. It's a time capsule. Very cool. You can see it's got rear defog. There's all your original paperwork that goes with the car. This is cool. A lot of these you'll see are actually the hard plastic spoilers. This is the original. They're like a rubber. It's in great shape. There's a couple little lift marks I saw in the paint and maybe a little crack, but that's pretty standard in those things. Tail lights are nice. Car's got all the original paint panels. Like I say, it's never been wrecked. It's got about 90% of the original paint. Factory, very cool. The 16-inch aluminum wheels that they came with. It's got BF Goodrich Traction TA rubber all the way around it. Of course, that's newer. Again, I think it said it's a 3-owner car. It was actually bought new in West Virginia, but delivered to Kentucky. Again, if you want to nitpick some stuff, there's some little rub marks that you can pick at. But very nice car. 4-wheel disc brakes. Of course, it's got all the GTA trim package on it that was standard. These cars came standard with the 5.7 two-port injected engine. Couldn't get them with T-tops with this engine in it. Actually, they came standard with a 5.0. This is the upgrade of the 5.7. This is what my car actually had in it as well. 5.7 two-port injected engine, 700 R4 overdrive transmission, bone stock, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, factory air still works. A lot of options on the inside we'll go over. Again, very nice. You can see the car's never been hit, never been banged up. Yeah, it's got all your body tags still on it, your original window or engine sticker on it. And as we go around the car, you're going to see those kind of all over the car. Yeah, I really think these cars are getting ready to really make a move price-wise. I've got a lot of people asking for them. Again, I think they're super cool. I love them. And I've really been on the hunt for them. I really tried to buy them on ESS. So I'm marking the paint. But man, a lot of them are just so beat up. Grand Nationals, of course, are very popular. But they're tough. They're tough to find nice. Here's your original door sticker. That's just a little dust there, guys. Did see the crack in there. You can actually buy these brand new. Like I say, we left it alone, just like we got it. A little dust in there. A lot of options. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, rear defog, of course, tilt, cruise. It's got the 6-way seats. These seats are pretty cool in these cars, man. They look like something out of Star Wars. Kind of hug you and hold you in. The cloth is very nice. Factory overhead console. You can see how nice the steering wheel is. Factory tach engages. 9,046 original miles. You can see how nice the gauges are. The original Delco AM/FM cassette with the EQ. Again, there's all your power windows, locks, remote mirrors. It's dual exhaust. I think you call it 2-into-1 actually in these years. Factory 10-bolt, limited slip rear end. Your factory jack with spare is still in here. Here's all your paperwork, copy of original title, owner's manuals. Again, we've got a new antenna for the car. Here's your original window sticker. It's power deck lid release. And again, this is something I will tell you. On my car, the back windows were fried. Look how nice those are. They're not the back window, the back seats. They just fell apart. That's that 80s interior. You can see how nice those cars. This car's been very well maintained. Very nice underneath. We got it up in the air. Took some good photos of the car for you. See where just a couple little chip marks there in your paint. But again, I wouldn't do anything to this car, guys. Leave it alone, man. It's a time capsule. See, the back seats are nice. I mean, it's just a very nice car. All the front seats are in very nice shape. AC blows ice cold. Lot of fond memories in one of these, man. They handle like a go-kart, man. They're quick. The steering is quick. Back's functional. All your gauges are working. Sounds like the 80s. Radio all works, blower motor works, all this stuff here in the center works. Doors open and close real nice. I always liked the marker lights on these cars. I thought they were cool, man. Fog lights at the bottom work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Pretty car right there. Makes you want to go roller skating, doesn't it, Jay? Yeah, that's a pretty car, guys.